Welcome back to 10 Box Challenge.
Yes, hello guys.
We already did 4 times 10 Box Challenge. This is the 5th time. So can you explain what is challenge today?
Okay, so this time instead of going to some place like what we usually do, we plan to do something different and more budget friendly.
Yes, because not all the time we go out, right? So this time, we would like to just stay at home and hang out together.
Okay, so we will prepare a Korean dish that's not exceeding 500 pesos or 10 baht. So we will buy ingredients to some local store here in the Philippines.
Okay. Are you going to guys make a Korean food today?
Yes.
What kind of food famous here for Filipino?
Oh, in the Philippines, samgyeopsal is the number one, and then
Yes, and also ramen, right?
Yes.
People here used to eat also ramen.
also bulgogi.
Yes, and also japchae. I like that too.
Yes.
What else?
Sundubu.
Okay. What about the Korean Kimbap? Have you heard about that?
Yes, I love kimbap also.
Yes, well, what about trying to make kimbap kimbap today?
Yes,
You
that's
like
a good idea.
Do you like the Korean
We
ramen?
can try.
So are you sure the guy we can make a kimbap and ramyun within 500 peso today?
You, Megs, what do you think about that?
Yeah, I think also. Let's try later.
Let's go to buy ingredient.
Yes.
Let's go now, let's go.
Before you go, we have to do our own.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay.
So, welcome to 10 Box Challenge!
This looks like a hypermarket.
Yes.
Where's the places and then what is the reason why you come here?
Yeah. So we are here at Gold, and then we will buy ingredients here, and it's very affordable.
If there are ingredients that are not available here, we can go to some Korean stores, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's go inside and let's buy.
Let's go.
안녕하세요.
한국 친구 여러분, 구독,
좋아요.
알람,
설정.
감사합니다.
Where is this place?
Oh, we're here in front of the Korean market inside of Yurgo.
Yes, and we will buy the other ingredients here that we didn't find in Europe.
Right?
Okay, now let's buy inside.
Yes, let's go.
안녕하세요.
한국 친구 여러분, 구독,
좋아요.
알람,
설정.
감사합니다.
You already bought all of the ingredients to make a food today. So can you explain what kind of the ingredient and how much price it is?
Okay, so for our kimbap, we have here the carrot. It only costs 30 pesos. Cucumber costs only 38 pesos. We have here 4 eggs, which only cost 8 pesos per each. Canned tuna, it's only cost 38 pesos. And of course, the rice.
And here are the ingredients that we bought in Korean Mart. So first up here is we have the Korean pickled radish, which only costs 126 pesos. And this is only 59 pesos. It's imitated crab stick. And this is also what we call in Korean gim, and also known as the seaweed sheet, which only costs 78 pesos. And here we bought 2 ramen for only 25 pesos each. And also here's the onion leaves, which only 16 pesos. Oh, Meg, are you ready to cook now?
Yes, I'm very ready.
So let's go, guys. Let's go.
Okay.
Cooking
let's go.
time.
Yeah, cooking time. Wow, you guys already done preparing to cook Korean Kimbap and Korean noodle.
Yes.
Nice.
So can you explain how it's preparing for the
Okay.
food?
So here, we have here the canned tuna. We just put it in a bowl. And then the carrots, we put a little bit of salt and let it sit for 5 5 to 10 minutes. Also, same with the cucumber. And then we have here, we chopped the crab stick for 2. So we have here 10 pieces. The Korean radish, pickled radish, and we use 3 eggs here with a little bit of salt, and then we cut it thinly. And then the last one, the seaweed sheet, we roasted it for 10 seconds each side. So later, we will start preparing the kimbap with the rice.
We also have here the ramen, okay, that we're going to eat later. So we prepared 2 ramen, and this goes with the green onion and egg to taste it more delicious. And here also the powder for ramen. Okay.
Wow, you guys already completed preparing. Let's cook.
Yes, let's go!
This is a rice.
Yes, Philippine rice.
As I know, when you make a rice for kimbap, it should be sticky. Do you know some of the idea how to make a sticky rice?
Yes, compared to Korean rice, Philippine rice is not really sticky, so you just have to put more water in it, and it will become more sticky compared to the usual. And then it will be ready. So I just put a little bit of salt here, and then sesame oil like the usual, and then mix it together.
What kind of kimbap are you going to make?
Oh, me, I will make tuna kimbap.
And as for me, I'll be making crab, the crab one.
Okay, let's make it.
Yes, let's go! I'm so excited.
It's ready to roll. Okay, so we have to make sure that this rice, it will meet the rice on the top of it, and then press. So lift the mat again, and then roll, and then press, and then lift again, press. Okay, and then the final step, we roll it all the way down, and then press. And then let's see if we made kimbap already. Tuna kimbap. Wow! And
And of course,
the last process, we just have to rub some sesame oil on it.
Okay, can I taste it?
Okay, sure.
This is delicious.
Wow.
Even Korean.
Thank you.
Oh, Jana, you preparing crab stick kimbap.
yes. Here is we're using the crab stick instead of the tuna because Maggie already showed to you, right, how to make it. So this time we're going to use the crab stick for our kimbap.
Wow, you guys already finished kimbap.
Yes, finally.
So how many line of kimbap did you make?
Okay, so overall, we made 10 kimbap. Save a lot because already 10 pieces of kimbap, less than only 500, right? So if we buy it in a Korean mart, we will pay 100 to 150 pesos.
Wow, it's almost half price.
Yes.
Okay, so now time to make the Korean noodle.
Wait. Don't change your channel. Stay tuned and more interesting things comes to you.
We're going to show you, or just a little bit educating also the viewers out there, how to cook the ramen noodles properly. Okay, so supposedly we have to use water at least 500 ml
per one.
That's right. You know, this is misperception for the other Filipino that you know, the cooking time is very important as well. You have to cook it for at least 3 minutes. Yes, and don't forget that while cooking it, in 3 minutes, while the water is already boiling, and then you put the noodles, you have to lift up several times the noodles.
Can you explain again so what we did today?
Okay, so with me, we made a total of 10 kimbap
And also ramen with egg and spring onions.
and all these are only 500 pesos.
How's it tasting?
Really delicious.
Very delicious. And affordable. Imagine for only 500 pesos, we were able to make all of this, so right? At first, we had 500 pesos. We spent 393 pesos for kimbap ingredients. And then we spent 74 pesos for ramyun noodles. And for the balance, we still have 33 pesos.
Go.
안녕하세요.
No.
Okay.
안녕하세요.
Go. I waited.
구독,
좋아요.
알람,
선정.
감사합니다. 다음에 또 봐요.